PS diving here, February 17th at Vida at Marina San Pablo. We just got one bow thruster sink on. The same size does not fit on the other side of the thruster. The inside of this nut that I'm about to show you on the blade side does have threads in it, but the zinc itself and the bolt that comes with this thing didn't fit in there. But the other side did go on just fine. Let's go take a look. And then we're going to go take a look at your other zincs on your stern. R3 trip tabs. Looks like one of the outboard mercury brackets, I believe. Yep. I don't see any hole or transom sinks. Yes, diving. Thank you.